What's going on? It's Bapetown. I don't think they ready. With another video. Today we'll be looking at the Bape JJJJound Collection. Now, I'm pretty sure we all know, collaborations have been a prominent component of Bape's brand identity, for good or for worse.
I'm so fucking tired of this shit. Fuck this shit.
And in recent, footwear collaborations have been a prominent component of JJJJound. From New Balance, Vans, Reebok, now we have the Bape JJJJound Collection. JJJJound, known for being minimalistic, using neutral tones, collaborating with Bape, strong colors and bold designs. Going for a white and neutral gray palette for Bape is refreshing. First up, let's look at the Bape JJJJound College Tee. Only dropping in white, we have the Bape College graphic print, but what's different is instead of a bathing ape, it's a tasteful ape in neutral gray. Now, why they chose the word tasteful, I'm not too sure, but my guess seems like one of those words that would be associated with JJJJound. Simple, subtle, a kind of artsy feel. We have 2 points of branding on this tee. The co-branding tag on the collar, a bathing ape, the ape head logo, and the JJJJound speech bubble. And on the bottom left, like many other JJJJound branded products, the JJJJound brown label. And that's about it. A real simple Bape JJJJound College Tee. Next up in the collection, the Bape JJJJound College Pullover. Similar to the tee but in reverse, we have the College Pullover in gray with the white Bape College graphic print. Co-branding on the collar, JJJJound brown label on the left side pocket. I'd rock this, just wish there was a little bit more experimentation on the design side. Being minimalistic is cool and clean, but sometimes it can come off a bit plain. Now to the cleanest item in the collection, the Bape JJJJound Bapesters. Starting with the shoebox, this is pretty clean. Instead of that ABC camo green that usually cases our Bapesters, we have that gray colorway. And giving that little pop, we have that gold foil lettering, a bathing ape, and JJJJound. Getting that JJJJound minimalistic treatment on the Bapester silhouette, we have that premium overhaul with a subtle off-white textured leather upper. Touches of that neutral gray on the outsole, star logo, heel collar, and the Bape branding on the tongue. Where we find our JJJJound branding is on the heel collar and the insole. Overall, real clean and premium Bapester with a colorway that can match with any fit. Does remind me of the 06 Bapesters though. For me, at the end of the day, I wish they could have did a little bit more with the design. Maybe use some of that gray camo on some of these pieces. That would have been clean. Well, there it is, the Bape JJJJound Collection. What you think about this collection? Man, 222 likes. Y'all smashed that like button in my last video.
Oh man.
3 winners will be announced in my next video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.